Alright guys, well this is update number 33 on the 1937 Rat Rod. So what I'm working on today is I need to raise this tranny up and build a tranny mount. So we set the pinion angle on the tranny and then start putting in some floor joists so we can start framing out our floor. Alright, well that's what we're working on.
I love it in the morning, I love it in the evening, I love it in the daytime, nighttime, any other time is the right time. Wanna do tonight, got women's in the high place, got women's in the blue hill, got women's on the east side, the west side, and any other side is the best side. Wanna do tonight, wanna do tonight.
What I've done is cut some triangulated gussets, and I'm going to gusset in here just to give it a little more strength, and then we'll be good. Alright, well, we've got the tranny in, now it's time to start laying out the floor. Now, whenever you lay out your floor, you should always find a spot that's a good starting point, somewhere that's got a nice 2 spots to mount your first bar so you have something square to work off of. And this car, it's the 2 metal pillars in between the 2 doors, the 4 doors, you know what I mean? So what we're going to do is I don't want to weld this directly to this old metal, okay? I'm going to put this plate in onto the pillar, weld it in, and then we can mount the bar to it on both sides. So that's what I'm working on now. We're going to clean this up and make a good surface to mount this to on both sides. Then we can cut the angles on the crossbar and put it in. Ow!
I like it on a Monday, I need it on a Tuesday, I love it on a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Gonna do tonight, got women's in the high place, got women's in the blue hill, got women's on the east side, the west side, and any other side is the best side. Gonna do tonight, gonna do tonight. Gonna do tonight, gonna do all right. One day it won't be long, you're gonna have to sing that song from midnight till the break of dawn. You're gonna be dead and gone, you're gonna be dead and gone, you're gonna be dead and gone.
Alright guys, well that's the end of this video. I've run out of steel. I gotta stop by and pick up some more tomorrow. This 1x1's working out really good. It's not too expensive, and once it's all welded together, it's pretty stout. So, biggest things when you guys are laying out your floor, if your car's at the point of mine, okay, is get the frame level so that you know it's all level. It's real easy to pull, use a level and lay out the pieces and not be doing a bunch of math trying to make sure your floor is level. So if you get the frame level and you do the work, it'll go a lot easier. Now, I've gotten from here forward done. We need to do a firewall still and then the whole back. So anyway, that'll be in upcoming videos. All right, guys, well, you know the drill. Like and subscribe. And if you want to see other stuff I've done, there's a link there. All right, guys, have a great night.